You're a simp if you do this. Don't do that. Or you're a simp. Lots of rules to follow to avoid being a simp. But you know what an actual simp is? It's a man or a woman who chases after someone who has pulled away. They say, don't send a woman a good morning text because only simps do that. BS. If she or he is interested in you, she will reciprocate. They say, don't text a woman right away. Wait a couple days or you're just a simp. BS. If she's interested in you, she will love hearing from you, and she will put real effort into engaging in conversation with you. You know what all of these simp rules are? They are games. It's a rule book for how to play games and toy with other people's emotions. It's the equivalent of pissing in the dating pool, which has already been made toxic for everyone. If a woman or a man is not showing up with any effort or emotional investment, then they are not interested. They're playing a game. If you feel confused, most likely they are not interested in you. If someone is distancing themselves from you, from investing any effort with you, and you still send the good morning texts, the various ego-pumping, meaningless, pointless validations toward her, then you are chasing rather than pursuing, and that is what simps do. Good humans are frustrated when you show really low effort in conversation. What we truly desire is reciprocation because it demonstrates that you really care about us and the relationship. We rely on you being able to communicate. It's extremely frustrating to get to us good people when we are expected to read your mind instead of getting a straightforward answer. This is why you don't want to play games with a good human, because those types of games we want no part in. We can spot from a mile away, just before walking away from you. Without reciprocation, or at least a clear show of effort, you're either playing those simp games, and we will walk away, which will leave you frustrated because you lost us as a result of some really bad simp rules you subscribed to from someone else who told you that it was a good idea. Or, if there is no reciprocation, the other possibility is you're genuinely not interested, so it becomes on us to move on and enjoy our lives that we've built for ourselves, that we are proud to live and eventually invite the right woman to be part of. Either way, no outwardly expressed reciprocation means move on. A quick fix for a very toxic dating pool would simply be for all of us to move on when there is no reciprocation. I'm sure that will never happen, but all of us individually are in control of our own decisions, and one silver lining to our toxic dating pool is it makes it so easy for us good humans to positively stand out, and there is worthwhile value in that. Fellow good humans will recognize that and appreciate it. At the end of the day, it's about attracting someone for a healthy, reciprocating relationship where both humans involved are investing time, energy, nourishment, growth. If it's about simply hooking up with someone, then that's an entirely different conversation. I personally won't perpetuate hookup culture. I think it does more emotional harm than good because it's so vacuous and empty, but to each their own. But my video and blog channels are not going to prop up and perpetuate hookup culture. My content is for people who are attracted to healthy, long-term, reciprocating relationships of all kinds. So what are some examples you have of games that have been played on you that you spotted from a mile away? How do you respond when you do recognize it? When you do recognize that you are being gamed, how do you respond? So I love the more meaningful comments because they not only help me refine myself, but others reading the comments also get benefit from your experiences too. My favorite positive about the comments is it's always an opportunity for people to help and support each other. Orgasmicpathways.com is my website. Orgasmicpathways.com. Natural health, healthy recipes, fitness, music, dance, philosophy, and whatever else I feel like. Bye for now.